Hey guys, thanks for clicking the link and coming to this page. First, just tip your hat for finding this information, right? I wish I found this information years ago, right? So tip your hat, man. So I just wanted to go over a few things, right? Before you put your email in and go to the next page to watch the webinar. I just want to go over, how lucrative this business is and, how it works, right? So there's three moving parts, right? That's it. It's very super easy to do this business, very lucrative. The first part, just get some marketing done, right? You can market this business any type of way you want, just like any other business. Get your marketing out. That's the main part. It's really the only part you need to do in the business, right? The second part, answer your phone. People are gonna contact you from seeing the marketing, right? Answer your phone, make a cash offer for the supplies, right? Third part, you ready to get paid? All we're doing is invoicing the buyers, shipping to the buyers. These buyers are not people with diabetes. These buyers are wholesale vendors who buy this stuff from us, rain, sleet, snow, no matter how much you have or how little you have, right? And that's pretty much it. This business is super easy, guys. And the really cool part about this business is that everyone that sells to you will become a repeat customer, which that means is if they sell to you today, they're gonna sell to you every time they get their supplies every month. So now you're looking at making reoccurring income every month, right? You're making an extra $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 every month from the same customers, right? Throughout the whole entire year or the whole entire time you're in this business, right? So another really good part about this business is that the response rate is through the roof with marketing. You put some marketing out, people eat this stuff up all over the country, no matter you're in a small market, large market, small city, big city, no matter where you're at, they're eating this marketing up. All right, guys, I never seen a return on investment this fast with any other business. Anything, you could just go and do something today, do some marketing today, get calls tomorrow and make money, right? So guys, I just want to go over that really quickly because you'll probably come to this page. You click the link because you was interested, but you might get to this page and might not move forward to the webinar, and you might not be able to book a call with me, right? So guys, the webinar's on the other side of the page. Put your email in, you go to the other side of the page, the webinar's there. The webinar just goes in depth on exactly how I run my business and everything about me and my journey and stuff like that. Really quick video. And there's a book a call link below the video. All right, you guys could watch the webinar and then learn a little bit about the business and then book a call. You can just go straight to the next page, book a call and talk to me. Guys, I'll talk to you for as long as you need me to, answer all your questions. All right, I'm very transparent about everything, especially when it comes to this business. All right, guys, so I'll see you on the other side, or I'll see you on a phone call. Okay, guys? Peace.